Taal volcano recent activity. Since the 1977 eruption, it had shown signs of unrest since 1991, with strong seismic activity and ground fracturing events, as well as the formation of small mud pots and mud geysers on parts of the island. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology (PHIVOLCS) regularly issued notices and warnings about current activity at Taal, including ongoing seismic unrest. 2008 August 28. PHIVOLCS notified the public and concerned authorities that the Taal seismic network recorded 10 volcanic earthquakes from 5:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Two of these quakes that occurred at 12:33 and 12:46 p.m. were both felt at intensity 2 by residents at Barangay Piraso. These quakes were accompanied by rumbling sounds. The events were located northeast of the Volcano Island near Daang Castilla area with depths of approximately 0.6 kilometers (0.37 miles) 12:33 p.m. and 0.8 kilometers (0.50 miles) 12:46 p.m. 2009 July 20. National Disaster Coordinating Council (NDCC) Executive Officer Glenn Rabonza warned that although there were no volcanic quakes detected at Taal since the detection of 9 volcanic quakes from June 13 to July 19, and there had been no steaming activity monitored since last recorded on June 23, PHIVOLCS alert stands at level 1, warning that Taal's main crater is off limits to the public because steam explosions may occur or high concentrations of toxic gases may accumulate. 2010 June 8. PHIVOLCS raised the volcano status to alert level 2, scale is 0 to 5, 0 referring to no alert status, which indicates the volcano is undergoing magmatic intrusion which could eventually lead to an eruption. PHIVOLCS reminds the general public that the main crater remains off limits because hazardous steam-driven explosions may occur, along with the possible buildup of toxic gases. Areas with hot ground and steam emissions such as portions of the Daang Castilla Trail are considered hazardous. May 11 to 24. Crater lake temperature increased by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius (3.6 to 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit). The composition of main crater lake water has shown above normal values of Mg, Cl, SO4, Cl and total dissolved solids. There has been ground steaming accompanied by hissing sounds on the northern and northeast sides of the main crater. April 26. Volcanic seismicity had increased. 2011 from April 9 to July 5, alert level on Taal volcano was raised from 1 to 2 for 11 weeks because of increased seismicity on Volcano Island. Frequency peaked to about 115 tremors on May 30 with maximum intensity at IV, accompanied by rumbling sounds. Magma was intruding towards the surface, as indicated by continuing high rates of CO2 emissions in the main crater lake and sustained seismic activity. Field measurements on May 24 showed lake temperatures slightly increased, pH values slightly more acidic and water levels 4 cm (1.6 in) higher. A ground deformation survey conducted around the volcano island April 26 to May 3 showed that the volcano edifice inflated slightly relative to the April 5 to 11 survey. 2019 alert level 1 was raised on the volcano because of frequent volcanic activity since March. Based on the 24-hour monitoring of the Taal volcano's seismic network, 57 volcanic earthquakes were observed from the morning of November 11 to morning of November 12. 2020 a sudden eruption occurred on January 12, quickly escalating into alert level 4. Ash falls and volcanic thunderstorms were reported, and forced evacuations were made. Dangers of possible volcanic tsunami were also warned. The volcano produced volcanic lightning above its crater with ash clouds. The eruption progressed into magmatic eruption characterized by lava fountain with thunder and lightning.